Registered the 23rd of June 2017 on a 17 plate with only 2,914 miles. Benefiting from full service history and a top box. The Honda NC750X is the ultimate no-nonsense all-rounder, a reliable, fuel-efficient workhorse that delivers practicality with a smile. Whether you're commuting, touring, or just enjoying a relaxed weekend ride, the NC's smooth parallel twin-engine thumps along effortlessly, offering plenty of low-end punch while keeping fuel stops few and far between. Built for real-world comfort, the NC750X boasts a superb riding position, plush seat, and compliant suspension that keeps things smooth no matter your size. And yes, it's just as comfortable two-up, so your passenger can enjoy the ride too. But what really sets it apart is Honda's clever thinking. Instead of a traditional fuel tank up top, you get a spacious, lockable storage compartment big enough to swallow a full-face helmet or your daily essentials. If you're after a capable, comfortable, and cost-effective machine that's as happy on the A-roads as it is cruising through the city, the NC750X is ready to make every mile easy. This super reliable bike would leave us serviced where required TA, with a full PDI inspection, 12 months MOT, and 3 months warranty. The option to extend to a 12 or 24-month warranty is also available. We can deliver this bike to anywhere in the UK. We also offer a wide range of finance. Please note we have a small £75 admin fee on all of our bikes. Part exchanges are welcome. For more information, please contact us on 01424 44 48 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk.